Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here though, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you are not new, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Today, we are talking all about how to make $200 a day by working from home. So I thought about it and I was like, if we all have remote jobs, that still leaves the potential for coworkers that get on our nerves, that still leaves bosses, that still leaves all the stuff that we would have had while working in the office. And if you can do that, great, that's fine. But I've heard from a lot of you, and you guys not only want remote, you want a way to make income that is not necessarily having a boss or having coworkers or having to do all of the things. So I thought about it and I did a little research, and here is what I have for you today. So before we jump into the video, I want to add this quick disclaimer. None of these results are guaranteed. None of these are promises. I am just somebody on the internet sharing my opinion on how to do this. Whether you get really positive results or not just depends on so many other factors. So now that that is covered, let's jump into the method. Let's get into the video. Today, I'm going to give you a stacking strategy to hit $200 a day without picking up your phone, without showing your face, and best of all, letting AI do the heavy lifting for you. Here's the thing that most people won't tell you. Making $200 a day from one income stream is really hard, and doing it while you're starting out is even harder. So stacking is going to give you different ways to bring the money in to equal the $200. So that's why we're going to use the income stacking method. So think about a hamburger. You have your bottom bun, you have your meat, and you have the top bun. So level one, think about the bottom bun of a hamburger. This is level one. This is something that you can do while at home, watching Netflix on your phone. I have a few apps down in the description. You could do taking surveys, you could do reviews on products. All these things you can do and make about $10 or $20 a day if you do them once in a while. And this is not gonna make you rich, but it's gonna prove that the money is real, and just throw a couple of dollars so you can get closer to the $200 a day mark. Now, level two is where the real money comes. Level two is gonna be your meat. It's gonna be you actually getting the work done for your clients. Level three, method A, is what I'm calling the AI middleman. So AI comes in and you use AI to help you get the work done for the client or whoever that has hired you to do whatever the short-term project is. So this is where the bulk's gonna come in. This is our meat layer. So this could be around $100 to $200 marker for whatever you're charging to get done. And you can even charge more, but we're gonna leave it here just because what if we're doing this and we're just getting started? So you can go to sites like Fiverr and Upwork, and what you're gonna do is look for simple tasks that you could use AI to do that people have posted requesting to get done. So build me a website, write me a couple of weeks of social media posts for my small business, whatever that is not gonna take you a lot of time, and whatever your skill set, your beginning skill set can do, you already know, okay, these people wanna pay me $100 to get this done. I could use AI to help me with the bulk of the work and then put my own spin on it before I turn it into them. They give you a good review, you move on to your next person the next few days. Now, this is gonna snowball into a greater revenue source for you, not just $100 and $200, but maybe you don't get a gig every single day. And maybe it takes you 2 days to finish one thing that they asked you to do because you're just starting out. This can become a really lucrative way to get to the meat of your income on a daily basis. And I talked about this more in depth in another video, like how to use ChatGPT to help you do work for your clients, how to use Canva, how to use Wix to set up websites for your clients, different things like that. If you guys want me to do a more in-depth tutorial on these things, let me know down in the comments. Method B is what I am calling the affiliate. This is where the passive income comes in after you have spent the time setting it up and getting all your ducks in a row. So now if you think about method A a little bit in detail, getting a client or small business owner client still kind of means you have a boss for that week because you're working with that client, and then you work with another one, and then you work with another one. But the beauty of that is if you don't like working with that client, you can get the work done very well and then move on and never accept another job from them again. On the reverse side, if you do like working with that client, you can say, wow, I hope they hire me for their next gig, or you can set up a contract with them. So you're kind of choosing choosing your own, so to speak, boss, or choosing your own company or small business owner that you're working with. So it's not like a typical 9-to-5 where you have this one set boss who's gonna be your boss every day for the X amount of years you decide to work at that company. Let's get into how Method B is structured. Now, what if you want to make money from work that you did 3 months ago or 6 months ago? This is where the set it and forget it mode comes in. We are going to use affiliate marketing links, but we're going to do it the lazy way. We're not going to set up our own website and drive people there and do all the things. We're going to use a website that's already pretty popular. People are going to this website to actively look for things to purchase or learn about the things, and that is Pinterest. Pinterest is a visual search engine. People go there to find solutions. So what you're gonna do is create a visual solution to their problem using a template. I really like using templates from Canva. It's the easiest to use, and if you get the paid version, you are opened up to a lot more templates. The learning curve in Canva is probably around 2 to 3 hours, and if you're really passionate about graphics, you're gonna jump right in and it's not gonna take you that long. The next step, you grab your affiliate links. Let's say your affiliate link is a desk organizer and it's from Amazon. So what you do with these products links is you paste it right in. Here's why this is powerful. A tweet dies in about 24 hours, but a pin can live for years. And while you are sleeping or doing something, walking your dogs, going to the grocery store, picking up your kids from school, all these different things, while you're doing that, somebody is reading your pin, clicking on your affiliate link, enjoying the product that you suggested, and you are getting paid. You don't need 1 million views, you don't need 1 million followers, you just need a few clicks. So think about it like this. If you get 5 sales a day, $5 commission, that's $25 a day right there. And what if you didn't even make that pin that day? That's something that you made last week. And what if you make more pins and you get 5 pins to make $25 a day? Look, you do need to be consistent and learn how to do it and get all of your ducks in a row so that you can be successful at these 3 methods. So you have to set up your gigs, you have to create the pins. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe and share this video with somebody that you think it'll help, and the algorithm thinks that you should watch this next video right here. If you need more insight into remote jobs, passive income, and all those things, I also will put down in the description a link to the playlist so you can look at all of those videos and see which work from home or which passive income or which job is right for you right now. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye.